Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make tadka idli in 5 minutes at your home. So for this idli, what you need, here I'm taking 1 cup of suji semolina into this. So in this suji, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of dahi. And I'm adding some salt as per your taste, how much salt you want in your tadka idli. And I'm going to mix all these things together. So here I added half a cup of water to make a smooth paste of the suji. So for the tadka idli, it's time to make tadka. Take a kadai, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. In this, I'm going to add the mustard seeds, the urud dal and some fresh curry leaves. So here I added the mustard seeds, the urud dal and some fresh curry leaves, and into this I'm going to add the hing powder, which gives a nice flavor in this idli. And yeah. So I added this tadka into this suji batter, and I'm going to mix all these things together, and we have to cover this one with a lid for 15 to 20 minutes. After that we have to cook. So this is very easy idli, guys. So after 10 to 15 minutes, the batter is ready, guys. In this, I'm adding this 1 tablespoon of eno powder. This is the must for this recipe. So after adding the eno powder, the batter is ready, guys. And it's time to make idli. So take a kadai, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in this kadai. So after adding the eno powder, can you see the batter is fully fermented? That's why we are adding the eno powder. And so when the oil is hot, it's time to put this batter into this. And we have to cook both the sides in a medium flame. And I'm going to cover this one with the lid. So after 1 minute, can you see the color? It started becoming light brown in color, and I'm going to turn it to the other side. So can you see the color of the dosa idli? So it should be like, so can you see the color of the idli? So it should be like this. This is the perfect color. And I removed the idli and I put it in the plate. And here I am making one more. So I added 2 tablespoons of oil. Into this, I am adding this batter. So this is the perfect breakfast in the morning, guys. Very easy. And you can have this idli with any chutney, like red chutney or coconut chutney, peanut chutney, garlic chutney, or even with the gunpowder. So yeah. So I put it in the banana leaf, guys. So yeah, it gives a nice taste in this idli. So this is a quick video of how to make tadka idli in 5 minutes at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.